Don't want to use your own voice for videos and would rather get a system generated voice? Or want to get automatic subtitles rather than typing the whole thing right into the software you're editing in? Then keep watching. So this software is Filmora 11, so let's open it. Now make a new project and follow other basic steps. Also, please let me know in the comments if you want me to make a beginner's editing tutorial video in Filmora 11. So let's get started. So once you have opened Filmora 11 and created a new project and some other basic steps, go here and drag your audio clips into the timeline. Click on them and then click on Speech to Text button. Now a window will open. Select your preferred language and then select clip selection if you want to apply the effect mainly to the selected clip, or the second choice if you want entire timeline audio to be turned into the text. Click OK after check marking the box which indicates that text will be aligned appropriately along with the audio clip when needed. It will proceed in the same way. A title track will be inserted here after the process is complete. You can now double click on it to modify. Hi, in this video I'm going to tell you the new and the latest update of Filmora 11. Moving ahead to text to speech, drag a title and type the text you want. Choose your preferred language, voice name and other options. At last, simply click OK when you're done. It will process the audio clip again and add it to the timeline. However, after a specified duration, you need to purchase it, and if you want to get it directly from the official site, you can check out the link in description. And you are there.
Hey there, welcome to this video. Hey there, welcome to this video.
If you could do these things, please let me know in the comments. So, I hope now you can make your own speech to text and text to speech videos. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye.